everyone, hope you are doing good. So let's start one amazing topic, how you will have a new resolution for 2022. So really now we are about to finish this 2021, so you might face lots of rejection, you might face lots of failure in 2021. But let me ask you, did you learn anything from your mistake? Did you learn from the rejection? Did you learn from those failures? If you have not learned, definitely you have to just start writing all those things. Whatever the failure, whatever the rejection that you faced in 2022, please write down somewhere. And even at the same time you have to write where was that problem, whether you didn't have that right skill set, whether you didn't have that right mindset, whether you had some other issues, whether we had some communication issues, whether we had some other relationship issues. So you have to just write down all those points. Then only when you will just improving all those weakness, when you start working all those weakness, then definitely you can get the edge, you can stay ahead, you can get the result in 2022. So that's what I would say. Moving into new year resolutions, first of all we have to check where is the problem, where we had the issues. So if you will talk about anything else, if you will talk about your personality, if you will talk about your communication issues, you have some kind of other issues, you start having some kind of an angerness easily, you don't know how to deal with people, we are still a lack of some communication gap. So here is the problem, whether we might not able to listen properly. So we need to just find out all those points on your just I can say write down all those things in your diary and start just working where is the roadblock. We need to just find out all those weakness, then you have to just work all those weakness. We are not born with expert, we are not born as a rich, but here we need to learn. We all are learning, you and myself, everybody is learning, everybody is growing. So that's what before making any new year resolution, we need to know to ourselves first. We have to introspect ourselves, we have to just listen to your inner voice. We need to just know what exactly your heart is saying, your mind is saying, where was the problem. We know, you should know better than you. So I'm not here to explain, to just give a kind of talk how you will transform your life, how you will be getting all those results. But I want to say over here, just listen to your inner voice, listen your inner world, just go to your deep mind, and you need to analyze. You have to just write down those points. So unless you write down, then what happened, it may not be reflected, it may not come, you may not get all those things, you might not believe all those weakness. So that's what we need to ask your even I can say you can ask your friends, families, your whoever is near or dearer. You may ask, where is the mistake, what I am doing the mistake, why I am not getting all those results in my life, even though I am putting my hard works, even though I am doing more, but thing is that the results is not coming. So definitely if you wanted to expect many results, then definitely you have to just think something different. We need to take the actions differently. So we should have and we unique kind of nature. We might not compare with others, you might not just think how other people are doing. I'm not able to get all those results. Here that person is having good command over English, that people or that person is having good money, they have all those things, but at the same time I don't have nothing. So in this way, if you'll start regretting, then we might not get all those results, we might not get that destiny. So in order to just change your destiny, first of all we have to just work on our thoughts, we need to work our belief system, we need to work our mindset. So how you will work, then definitely I would say that associate with the correct people, associate with the right environment, associate yourself with the books, associate with yourself by making new habits, associate yourself with the right attitude, you can say good people, because if your environment is not good, you might not get all those results. So that's why we need to just figure it out, with whom I am speaking, with whom I am talking, with whom I am spending my time. But thing is that even though I am just spending more time, even though I am not getting, because you are not spending your time with the right people. So you need to find the right community, because thing is that we are one who is person, you can say 4% of few people. If we will talk about, if you are just going and talking with many people but you are not getting anything, then what happened? You are just wasting our time. So time is like money, so we need to know where to spend our time, how to spend our time, why we are doing these things. We should know the why, and also at the same time you have to just look at what you wanted to achieve in 2022. You have to write down all those things. What is your goal? What is your dream? What is your desire? What is your want? What want you have? So if you don't know this goal, if you don't know about your vision, if you don't know what you wanted to achieve in next 5 years, then what happened? We might not get all those results. That's why we need to just write everything. We need to be clear what I am doing, where we are going, what all things we have to do, how we can create the good habit, how we can just look after my health, because your health is wealth. So in this way you have to just get out from your comfort zone. You can just come out from all those problems, challenges, issues, then only you can achieve many things in your life. So I would say just work all those your weakness, and at the same time whatever the strength you have, we might not have all those things within ourselves. We are not 100% perfect, but few things, few points, those are with you which makes you success. I mean, you can say you might be having many attitudes, but you have to list down what all good attitude you have, what all strength you have. Either you are a good speaker, either you are a good communicator, either you can say you need to, and you are a technical expert. You have to just find out what is the strength that you have. You need to enhance that strength. You need to just find out, fine-tune that strength. You need to just work on that even strength as well. So your strength will grow further, your strength will be visible, and you will get all those results down the line. So in this way you have to just figure it out, how you will be spending your time in 2022. That makes the difference, because in the initial period we are just making lots of resolution. We are just thinking, yes, we will do that, we will achieve that, but at the end of the day, after a month, after a few weeks, then we just give up. We just forget what we had the resolution in 2021. So that's what we need to be consistent on our journey. We need to take action massively. We need to invest our time through you can say learning. Focus your time on the learning, because once you will focus on the learning, then obviously you can get many things in your life. So that's all I wanted to say. So it's not like New Year resolution. You have to just plan, you have to just schedule your time, you need to block your time. So in this way, when we keep focus, or we can say take the actions consistently, we'll get that discipline. Will become a disciplined person in the down the line, you can say. So in this way you have to just prioritize your work. You need to just look at what is important, what is not important, what is urgent, what is not urgent. You need to just find out. You have to figure out in order to getting all those results in our life. So thank you very much. I hope you connect with me. In this way, if you will work, then definitely you find out our path, we will find out our desires, we will find out the success in our life. So thank you very much for watching this video. Again, we'll meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye, cheers, thank you.